How to fix the Snapchat support code SS06. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having this trouble on Snapchat, first and foremost make sure you restart your device. Then after check for your internet connection. Once you have checked for your internet connection, make sure to use Wi-Fi or a stable or strong mobile data. Then after head over to your device settings and then scroll down to network and internet. Tap on it and then scroll down to VPN. If you have enabled any VPN, make sure to disable it. However, if you are temporarily banned, you will have to wait for 24 to 48 hours before logging in or accessing your Snapchat. But if your account is locked, you can appeal for unlock. In order to do so, head over to the settings on Snapchat, scroll down to Help Center, and then tap on the option I cannot access my account. Tapping on it will take you to another page. Tap on the very first one, My account is locked. Tap on the link provided to unlock your account. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.